Okay, I will analyze for the AUD CAD. First, I saw the daily. Okay, no patterns, no highlights. One support is there. Okay, so this pair retracement is already complete. AUD CAD is retracement is already complete for the sale timing. Now it's only for the buy. Now one thing is clear for the my side is a buy zone.
Where is the buy zone?
I will tell you enter the levels, no issue.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
I just checking right now. For the now, no buy level. We missed that entry for here. This is entry level. And why the AUD going to up? I will tell you because the CAD, if you saw the news for the since a few months ago, for the oil, CAD gifted to oil everyone for the free of cost. So CAD is weak. They need to cover something. So that's why AUD going up. When they have a power again, CAD, AUD going to down. So we need to break this point for the sale because they completely done for the buy level. Now the buy level is finished. You just wait for the sale limit. When they
Brother, brother, you stretched the Fibonacci chart, right? What were you checking with the Fibonacci chart?
Fibonacci chart, I will check where is the retracement, the sale positions. I will tell you how analyze. I will check this point previous to higher the rally. I will check this rally. Okay. So it will complete 1.16%. It means the first wave, bearish wave is complete.
So basically from support to resistance, you just stretch the Fibonacci and you're checking what levels.
No, I just checking right now for the volume market. The market volume is totally complete for the sale.
Oh, it's done the retracement, isn't it?
Yeah, its retracement is finished.
Okay.
Okay. Now they are going to new wave. New wave means it's going to new direction. So if someone buy here is totally benefit, but we are looking for the sale because when they complete the sale position, it will totally going down again. There also this,
So you know where you stretched the Fibonacci before? Why did you stretch it at that point? Why not the other bottom point?
because this is called rally. I am looking at buy position. First of all, what my direction you fixed in your mind. What are you looking? I am looking at retracement for the sale. How much sale it will done it. So I analyze the buy rally here to here. This is called rally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Buy rally.
Yeah, the 8 days market have a buy zone. So when the market start retracement, it will going 1.61%.
Okay.
It's very high volume for the retracement. So high volume is already complete.
Okay.
If they're not going to here, there may be possible it will come here, then again up. So it's mean market have a still sale zone. They need to retracement, complete the retracement. But retracement sale is complete right now. It's totally finished. Now they make it again new wave. So we can analyze this for the this buy and the this buy.
Okay.
When they break this level, they completely going sale. It will come here. Then again market push back as CAD have a powerful right now, so they will again push here. This is market structure. Whatever right now they will tell.
Okay.
If
6180.
yeah, 6180. If the market AUD again weak, because if you saw the AUD chart is totally collapsed before months, but right now they rise again. So that's why AUD happened this.
Okay.
CAD don't have a power. Still CAD not showing to any power. When they start to showing power, so AUD going weak. So maybe it will come like that. They will turn here and then here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth thing told me the sale totally. I'm not into any buy. I just watching, waiting for the sale position.
Okay.
When the market give me a chance in the key level, when they break this, I will enter the sale and totally relax. My stop loss is more than this higher. First of all, I check 4-hour chart, not because it's totally too much. See, they are running still a zone. This is a zone. How I analyze is a zone? See, this is a zone. When the market touch this price, down. When the market touch this price, down. When the market touch this point, down, down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 7 opinion for the this price level. If they break this level, so we are buying. So last price is 0.915. But they must break out, not for the touch. If they break, for example, candle close here, candle close this area, so we will buy. Got it, sir?
Yeah.
For the now, if I saw the 4-hour time frame, it's totally going good. For the sale, my opinion, when the market, if they break this level and start with candle here, so it would totally 1, 2, it will go like that. If they break this, so it will come here, here. And if they break this, so it will come like this. So we need to wait for the break this level or with this level. This is not for the entry level.
Okay.
When they break these levels, so you can easily enter it. Buy or sell, whatever you like. You have a some pairs are give you both chance to buy and sell, but mostly pair is not giving the chance. See, it's rejected. GBP USD is rejected here.
Okay.
But for my side is still sold. I satisfied with the sale, not for the buy. I just waiting for the retracement. Maybe they will took here and then again going down. Because tomorrow my thinking is news not come negative. If they come negative, so they not do anything because
Yeah.
they don't give UK don't have any good power right now. They have a totally negative, actual negative, and the 1.1% is a 0.3% is totally collapsed. They don't have any good economy. Bruce, I think I also see something Bruce news. I forget where is the Bruce. See, downfall. Dow is a fall. Dow Jones is a fall start, so gold automatically going up. Now, Rahman, did you see
Yeah.
Dow Jones minus 146, 0.60%? You can say like that. Now check it gold. See,
Yeah, now gold's gonna go up.
it's simple actually. 0.9%, 0.6% they were rejected. They start with falling 0.6%. There is the 0.9% is up. So 0.03 is a good level entry buy, and your stop loss is less than this candle. Not go for the rush.
Okay.
If you want to gold trade, so you can enter here, and the stop loss is here, and your take profit is here. If they break this level, you can hold your long-term trade.
Where is the take profit?
The take profit is 1721.
Okay, so you're expecting it to go up there.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
And for the safe side, you can enter when the market reached 70.10 and 70.12. You can put the trailing stop loss, the break-even trade, whatever you say. It is all break-even trade. You can put the break-even trade and leave the trade. You must close your trade in the profit. Clear?
Yeah.
Anything more question? Where's the
So you looking at the 4-hour chart, or you are?
Yeah, I'm looking for our chart.
Okay. And that's the USD, XAUSD.
Yeah, XAU USD.
Okay.
The gold have a short term, short form is XUX. XAU,
Yeah.
sorry. Anything else? Well, why are you so quiet today?
Yeah, I don't know. Everybody, I've taken over for some reason.
Well,
Hi guys.
hi. Why are you so quiet, brother?
No. Actually, there was a lot of disturbance, so I didn't follow the whole time. Yeah, it was
Okay.
calls and kid here, so yeah.
So you can hear what I'm saying today?
Yeah, yeah, I did hear you, but it's not that I actually could follow. There was something when I caught it from the corner of my eye. You were explaining about using the Fibonacci tool. Can you explain that again?
Sure, no issue.
The other gentleman asked you a question. I think it was the GBP USD, and there was one leg that
No,
you.
they're asking AUD CAD. They're asking AUD CAD, not for the GPUSD.
Oh, was it AUD?
Yeah, they're asking for the AUD CAD. So,
Okay.
so you know how to use
Now,
Fibonacci?
how do I use it?
So you have a perfection for the Fibonacci?
No. Uh, that's what I want to find out if I'm using it the right way.
Okay. First of all, the first thing Fibonacci, you find a rally. You know what is a rally?
No.
Okay, I will tell you what is a rally because it's very simple theory for the using Fibonacci. This is called a rally. This. Now, if you are looking for the buy zone, so you can click bottom and drag out to top higher. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you are looking for the buyer, so you analyze for the buy rally. When market came 61%, you can buy one. When the market coming 78%, buy one more. So you have a two trades. Your stop loss is less than 100. If market going 100, so you can put your stop loss 20 pips more here.
Mm.
And your trade profit is 23. And you can see very easily. I analyze, I trade for here and I trade for the here, and market easily going to 23% and more than this. The main thing is you need to find a rally like this. Less bearish candle, mostly buyer candle. You can check again, see one more rally is here, is complete 61%, again buy.
Okay. So there must be more bullish candles. For instance, if you're looking for buy more bullish candles and less bearish candles in the valley.
Yeah, because mostly people are thinking this is called rally, this is not called a rally. Rally call is this. This is not a rally. This is called a trend. You can look like this. This is called a trend. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is touch it but return it. 10 touch it. So it's very good for the buy rally.
Okay.
When the market touch is, so wait, if they break out, open the sale. If they not break out, give you same rejection like that. You can see every rejection is very good. One,
Mm.
they touch it again up. So it is called, you can enter here and stop loss is here. You can enter here and the stop loss is You can enter here buy, and your stop loss is this. Only 20 pips, not more than this. If market against you, so you lose few amounts, but you open the sale. When the market hit your stop loss, you can enter here against sale position.
Mm.
So you can cover easily your trade. But the Fibonacci use is perfect for the working on the rally.
Okay.
This type of rally in a 4-hour chart, not for the daily. If you go into daily, it's very long-term trade, very long-term trade. If you are looking trade for the 1 week and a 2 week, so you must analyze for the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is very specific and very good for the analyzing, for the support and resistance. Clear?
Yeah.
Any question for right now?
No question.
Or still confused, Will?
Come again?
Still confusion or no?
No, I understand. Another thing, say for instance, retracement. When will you know if you use the Fibonacci the retracement is over?
If I analyze this, okay, I looking a buy, market not touch here, market going to here, market come here. So it means my buy level is invalid, my retracement is invalid. So market give you new direction. You must enter out. For when, for example, right now market came here, I traded. If the market stop loss hit, so I'm not enter for the sale, I'm not enter for the buy, I leave this chart for the now. When the market gives you new direction, I will enter again.
Okay.
If the market running like that, so you can enter for the buy. Because if you check, for example, you have also question in your mind, why I'm looking a buy? Because market already too much sale is here. So market give you rally for the buy. Sale rally also is there. If you check the sale rally, but they not give you any reversal candle. So it's mean market is a not for a sale trend, is still at the buy trend. If the market showing like this, it will come here. So it's mean market need to retracement 23% and 38%. So you can open your sale.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay, guys.
Thank you, Zoe.
Okay,
Thank you so
Zain.
much. Thank you so much. Same time
Thank
tomorrow
you.
must join it. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Good evening to you guys.
Good evening.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.